Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to log into your Vodafone account online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to go over, open up any web browser, and then I'm going to go type in Vodafone. Now I want to click onto Vodafone. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be .au, so wherever you live, it's going to have the right region code on there. So I'm going to click into that. And now to log in here, as you can see, it's vodafone.com.au. I'm going to click onto my user profile icon here, and then I'm going to click on manage your account. So now this is going to send me to the login page here. So log into my Vodafone, enter your Vodafone mobile broadband, home internet or NBN number, and we'll send you an instant login via an SMS or email. So I'm going to jot in any one of them, put that in there, and then you got a choice to SMS me the link or email me the link. And if you got any troubles finding my number, click onto that, or if you need extra help logging in, click into that. That will contact Vodafone customer support, and they'll be able to help you find your login details.